Hi, I'm Theo Gilbert-Jamison with Performance Solutions by Design, and I'd like to tell you about our Service Excellence Champions program. The purpose of the program is to help organizations to create their service philosophy. And as a part of the program, some of the topics that we cover in the session are things like the 6 principles of service excellence and, of course, doing a comprehensive gap analysis. But the beauty of this program is that the team works to help develop or refine the organization vision and mission, standards of excellence. They help and assist with the team huddle process and the implementation, as well as implementing any other service excellence supporting processes. Now, the goal of this really, or a key takeaway, is to make sure that the team results in tools and processes that can be used to drive excellence and things that can be done to create buy-in for leaders and employees. Now, who should be a part of this Service Excellence Champions team? It should be leaders and employees that represent a cross-section of your organization. That means all departments. And the Service Excellence Champions program can be delivered as a 1 or 2 day session, but that really depends on the extent of the gap analysis. So if you're interested in learning more about how to bring this dynamic program, the Service Excellence Champions team, to your organization, contact us today, and it would be our pleasure to work with you.